India's growth recovery in the April-June quarter continues to remain fairly resilient so far despite global headwinds. Industrial production for June rose to 12.3% on an annual basis, taking average industrial output for the quarter to 13.2%. The improvement in industrial growth continues to be supported by continuing recovery in domestic demand. Another indicator of industrial output, manufacturing PMI rose to 54.4 in the April-June quarter. A reading above 50 is indicative of economic expansion. Going forward, there is scope for moderation in industrial output because of a combination of tighter financial conditions, shrinking profits, and rising input costs that could weigh on activity levels, according to economists. On the receipts front, GST collections for June were the second highest since rollout because of economic recovery, better compliance, and elevated inflation. Despite having remained elevated, inflation is now providing some relief, showing signs of having come off its peak. Retail inflation averaged 7.3% in the April-June quarter, well above the RBI's upper band of 6%, but has continued to deaccelerate for the third straight month, easing to 6.7% in July. Wholesale inflation averaged 15.7% in the April-June quarter, but fell to a 5-month low of 13.9% in July. To be sure, some knock-on effects of a global slowdown are becoming evident on India's economy too, with exports showing some signs of easing. India's trade deficit widened as imports have surged. Stay tuned to BQ Prime.